Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the language in Windows 10. In order to change to a new language, you will likely need to choose and install the one you want to use. Thankfully this process is nice and simple and can all be done from the same place. There will be plenty of languages to change to, some will have more features than others though. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change the language, first open the main settings page. You can get there by clicking on the cog icon within the Start menu. In Settings, choose Time and Language. Within here, click on Language from the list on the left side. Find where it says Windows Display Language, and under there is a drop-down menu. See if you can find the language you want to use in this and select it if you can. You probably won't find it though because you need to install the new language first. To install a new language, click on the plus icon next to where it says Add a Language. This will open a new window, and in here you need to search for the language you want to add. You'll notice the icons to the right of each language. These indicate the features that the language supports, and you can see exactly what each icon means at the bottom of this window. Find the language you want to add. For example, we can choose the United States version of English and click on it once to select it, and then click on Next at the bottom. We can now customize exactly which features we want to include with the language. This is up to you, and once you are happy with the selection, click on Install at the bottom. It will now say pending, and then it will begin downloading. This may take a while, but once it has started to load, it should be much quicker. Once the language installation has completed, you can now go back to the drop-down menu under where it says Windows Display Language and select it in here. This should change the language. You can now also change the language for some of the other features, such as the keyboard, by clicking on that from the top. However, it should automatically change once you select the language as the Windows Display Language. And so that is how to change the language in Windows 10. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.